Coming to you from the world-renowned Simoniz garage, named for the oldest auto appearance brand in the world. These master detail technicians have the luxury of working alongside some of the finest chemical engineers in the world to develop the highest quality detail products. It is with these products that the Simoniz garage techs operate a real detail facility in West Hartford, Connecticut. Welcome to the Simoniz garage. Hi, welcome to Simoniz Garage. I'm Tom Palancia, Detail Operations Manager here at Simoniz. If you saw the last episode, we were working on this 2016 Range Rover Sport. The outside was pretty bad. We cleaned it up, now we're starting to get in the inside. It's also pretty bad. There's dye stains, there's broken glass, the leather looks in bad shape, the vinyl's in pretty bad shape, and there's a pretty significant odor. So we're just trying to open it up and see what we have to work with here. Looks like we got our work cut out for us. So we removed all the belongings, vacuumed the car, blowing out the car. The team now is starting to shampoo all the carpets. So they're using an alcohol-based carpet shampoo so that it's dry quickly. They're also using No. 4 cleaner degreaser, which is formulated to not overpower the customer with fragrance, but also remove any of those road oils. We're going to be doing some surface cleaning. None of this is really deep into the foam or the soundproof batting, so we're going to do all surface cleaning using our mini pneumatic carpet tool with the carpet attachment on it. They're going to follow up then with the door panels, with the dashboard, the gauge cluster, all the nooks and crannies of the vehicle. For that, they're going to use No. 4 cleaner degreaser again, anywhere that body oil may touch the surface and mix with dirt, or they'll use No. 3 multi-surface and glass cleaner for places just like the gauge cluster. So then they're going to start working on the leather. They're going to get rid of all the dye stains and all those oil-based stains, and then they're going to condition it with leather cleaner and conditioner. So as I've said before, a Simoniz product touches over 1 million cars every day, and we've used quite a few of them on the interior of this car today. Stay tuned for the next chapter of the 2016 Range Rover Sport when we attack the outside.